A month ago, I posted a video of my most recent house flip that I bought for $1.3 million. And here's the crazy part that most people won't believe. I bought it with $0 of my own money, and I actually made $28,000 by buying it. Wow. What's up guys, Jeremy here and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, what's up? I'm Jeremy Mateo. I'm a real estate investor here in Hawaii and I make videos about real estate and making money. So as I said, I bought this house with $0 of my own money and made $28,000. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how I did that. But before we do that, I'm gonna have to ask you to please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. And while you're at it, go ahead and follow me on all my other social media platforms as well. All right, thank you guys. Now let's get this video started. Okay, so if you're a real estate investor, you already know how I did this, but please definitely keep watching and smash the like button. But if you're not a real estate investor, definitely keep watching and also definitely smash the like button. So yes, I did not spend $1.3 million of my own money. I actually used hard money and private money lenders. These lenders are not your traditional kind of bank or lender who lends you money to buy a house to live in. This is a special kind of lending meant for the purpose of buying houses, fixing it up, and selling it for a profit, aka flipping houses. So I honestly didn't find this deal. It kind of actually just found me. A real estate agent knew me on Instagram and he knows I flip houses, so he brought me this deal, and so I crunched the numbers. It looked like I was gonna buy it for $1.3 million. The rehab construction was looking like I was gonna use $300,000, and I looked up the comps and the ARV, or the after repair value, was looking a lot like $2.2 million. Right when I saw that, I wrote an offer to buy it instantly. But again, not with my money. I was gonna buy this using other people's money, specifically hard money and private money lenders. The terms that my hard money lender gave me was that they would fund 80% of the purchase and that they would fund 100% of the construction. But here's the catch. The interest rate for this loan would be 8.5%. If you ever bought a home before, you probably think that is crazy because interest rates right now are usually around 3 to 3.5%. But keep in mind, this is a fix and flip. I'm not owning this for 30 years, nor is this a loan meant to be held for 30 years. I'm only owning this home for the duration of the flip, which is probably 5 to 8 months long. So again, the purchase price is $1.3 million. Hard money would be funding 80% of the purchase, which was $1,040,000. So how was I gonna get the other 20% of the purchase? This is where private money lenders come in. Private money lenders are kind of like your hard money lenders. They lend for the purpose of flipping houses. However, the difference between private money and hard money lenders is that hard money lenders are more so an institution. Private money lenders is just a person, like a normal person, but if anything, more so a rich person. They're investors who lend people their money in order to make their money make them more money, if that makes sense. They're making money off the high interest so they can basically make money doing nothing, aka passive income. So I went to this private money lender and got a loan of $270,000, which was the 20% of the purchase plus closing costs. The interest rate for that loan was 12%. Again, that's pretty high when compared to a traditional loan, which is 30 years long, but again, this is not supposed to be a 30-year long mortgage. I'm not owning this for 30 years. So cool, I got the 80% from hard money, I got the 20% from private money, now what? So in order to get this house, I still needed to give a deposit. Here's the contract that I wrote, and I offered to pay a $1,000 deposit upon opening escrow and another $1,000 after the due diligence period. When I was writing that offer, I honestly thought they were going to send me a counter offer back asking me to put a higher deposit, but they didn't, and I thought that was pretty cool. So now I'm all into this property for $2,000. Now, here's the super cool part. Since I am a licensed real estate broker in the state of Hawaii, I was able to represent myself in the transaction, and I received a 2.5% commission. Wow. That is 2.5% of the purchase price. Again, the purchase price is $1.3 million. 2.5% of that is $32,500 minus some brokerage fees at my company, and I ended up getting about a $30,000 commission check. So there you guys have it. $30,000 minus the $2,000 deposit I gave was $28,000. So I made $28,000 by buying this property. And that's how I was able to buy this $1.3 million house absolutely free, not using any of my own money, thanks to hard money and private money lending. So in a nutshell, this is how real estate investors, specifically house flippers, buy houses using OPM or other people's money in order to invest in real estate and make lots of money. If you enjoyed this video and you want to stay up to date on this flip and all my other flips, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and hopefully you find a lot of value and entertainment watching this whole journey unfold. Thank you guys again for watching. I'll see you next time.